Okay, so this is for lab. I honestly didn't really know how to answer this question, so I'm guessing you just want like an overview of digestion in general. Um, and I guess technically, of course, like when you smell something good and you're really hungry, like your stomach starts like bubbling, you start getting really hungry. But the main thing that happens is of course, like your mouth starts to salivate like greatly, and it's basically when you smell something good, all those receptors in your body, like in your nose, are basically telling your brain to get your stomach ready to eat. So you start having more saliva, of course, because saliva is going to be the first part of digestion in breaking down that food. Um, Digesting and absorbing, the first step for carbs, breaking down your food and making that bolus so that it's easier to go down your esophagus into your stomach. Your stomach starts producing and getting its basically fluids ready for that ingested food. Um, so that's like, I guess, like the first part of um, like what happens when you smell something. And of course, again, like the first step is your mouth. Um, and basically easily absorb different foods. Your saliva helps break down what you're eating and then turns into chemicals, and all those chemicals are enzymes, and that helps the breakdown of food. Once your food is broken down, it goes into the esophagus. Peristalsis helps it to make its way down into the digestive tract. Um, and then, of course, your stomach is where the food ends up, and that's where it is stored and further broken down by acid and enzymes like gastrin. And then from there, food moves into the small intestine. And in your small intestine, nutrients are absorbed. It's where food is broken down even more by enzymes. You also have bile from the liver, pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Bile helps break down fats, pancreatic juice. It has enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and also carbs like amylase. Um, and then basically from the small intestine, whatever is left goes to the large intestine. Um, and basically after the large intestine goes into the colon, and then that's the last site of digestion and absorption. Whatever food or nutrients or whatever is left then turns into waste, and then that of course then exits. So basically, I guess when you're smelling something good, your body is starting to form and start these mechanical processes basically to get it ready for when that food is ingested, to digest it and gather nutrients. Wherefore, yeah.